Hi guys. So what you're listening to there is I'm in Rathdrum in woods here, and what you're listening to there is the amazing panoply of birds. This is the sound of nature. This is an experimental wood by Quilcha here. As you can see, it's fenced off, and this looks like natural regeneration to me. The level of sound is just huge. It's really beautiful. But it's both beautiful and really sad because we know that sound is dead in most of Ireland. It's dead in our uplands because of Quilcha woods and sheep farming. It's dead in our midlands because of heavy dairy farming and the wiping out of hedgerows and small pockets of woods. And it's dead in our towns and villages because we wipe out old growth trees and then replace them with non-native species or with birch trees from Romania or Siberia, but not of Irish stock. Quilcha doesn't need to write or do any more experiments. Either Quilcha gets its act together and starts creating a genuine situation where nature is being restored on a vast scale, or it needs to be, which I believe it needs to actually be broken up. So Quilcha can only manage the Sitka spruce. It doesn't manage nature woods. That's managed by the Department of National Parks and Wildlife. They're in charge of all native woods, and they have a remit following European law. We are breaching all European law at the moment. We are the most devoid area of nature in all of Europe. All of Europe. We really are the laggards of Europe. I could say stronger words, but I don't want to because I want to post the video. But we're really terrible. The Irish have betrayed their land. They betrayed nature. They betrayed the ancient woods that created the soil that you have dairy farming on. If not for all those ancient woods that then broke down in their leaf litter over hundreds of thousands of years, created the very soil that your sheep, your cows are on, that we grow our wheat on. It wouldn't be there without the ancient trees of Ireland creating that soil and all their insects and invertebrates that did it. We've ran out of time. That's the position we're in. We've actually ran out of time. Our planet, as we speak, all systems are collapsing. The Amok system is collapsing. So all your farming as you know it in 20 years will have changed because your weather systems are completely different. But one thing we can do is restore all woods along our rivers and streams, from the mountains to the sea, 20, 30 meters either side of every stream. I don't care if the stream is 1 meter wide, you put 20 meters either side of it. That allows our birds to live, our insects to come back. All hedgerows, stop bloody cutting the hedgerows. Get funding for fences, let the hedgerows go to full A-frame size. Save your petrol, leave them alone. And if you need to put fences in between, so that your hedgerows are not used as some box hedge to make them stock proof for cattle. They're much more important than that. Anyway, listen to the birds, listen to that beautiful. What you listen to there is the sound that will save your children. And that sound is dead in Ireland in general.